Since May 2018, all vehicles under 10,000 pounds are required by NHTSA mandate to have backup camera systems. Modern vehicles have evolved these systems to include sophisticated audio alerts that work alongside visual displays. The technology has evolved from simple aftermarket add-on solutions to sophisticated factory-integrated systems with customizable audio alerts built directly into the vehicle's infotainment system. There are three primary types of backup audio systems, each offering different levels of sophistication and safety features. First, proximity sensors use ultrasonic technology to detect obstacles. They produce progressive beeping patterns that intensify as you get closer to an object, providing distance-based audio intensity. Second, integrated camera audio systems synchronize visual displays with audio warnings. These systems provide voice prompts for specific hazards and offer customizable alert tones. Third, advanced driver assistance systems use artificial intelligence to differentiate between pedestrians, vehicles, and stationary objects. These systems provide specific audio alerts for each type of hazard and integrate with automatic emergency braking. These ADAS systems integrate seamlessly with automatic emergency braking, providing a comprehensive safety solution that can prevent accidents before they occur. These three types of backup audio systems represent the evolution of vehicle safety technology, from simple proximity alerts to sophisticated AI-powered systems that can save lives. For factory-installed backup camera systems, audio settings are typically accessed through your vehicle's infotainment menu. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Safety, and finally Parking Assist. Within these settings, you can customize volume levels and select different alert tones. Most systems offer multiple beep patterns and intensity levels to match your preferences. Many vehicles also provide physical controls for quick audio adjustments. These include dedicated parking assist buttons on the dashboard and steering wheel controls for volume changes. Aftermarket backup camera systems offer two main installation approaches. OBD2 integration provides plug-and-play functionality with smartphone app configuration, while hardwired systems require professional installation but offer more robust integration. Emerging technologies are revolutionizing backup camera audio systems. AI-enhanced alerts adapt to your driving behavior, while spatial audio provides directional warnings to indicate exactly where obstacles are located. When selecting a backup camera audio system, prioritize options with customizable settings. For aftermarket solutions, professional installation ensures optimal performance and proper integration with your vehicle's existing systems.